Hey guys, my name's David. I'm a junior dietetics major here at JMU.
I'm Chris.
I'm Fatin, also a junior dietetics major here at JMU.
So we're gonna be making chicken nuggets and ranch. So the ingredients are pretty simple. We don't have that many of them. We've got chicken, and then we've got the eggs, and then we've got the stuff for the batter. So right here, obviously we have the chicken. This is chicken breast cut up into about 1-inch size cubes. Right here we have 2 eggs beaten. This is gonna be our egg wash before we put the chicken into the batter. And for the batter, we've got breadcrumbs. This is like the main thing that's gonna give it the crunch. So that's gonna go in there. We've got the onion powder and the garlic powder. That's also gonna go in there. Got salt and pepper, of course. Paprika. And Parmesan cheese to give it a little bit extra like savory, tasty flavor. And then once we have all that in the bowl, we're gonna mix it up. Now that all of that's ready, we're gonna go in and make the chicken nuggets.
Okay, now I'm just going to grab this raw chicken right here and sort of dip it in the egg batter as well as the crumbs. And while I get that going here, over to you, Chris.
So here we have our ranch. This is made with Greek yogurt, ranch seasoning, and a little bit of lemon juice. We used Greek yogurt instead of sour cream and mayonnaise because Greek yogurt has a lot of protein. It's really great for you as well.
So obviously in the chicken breast that we have, it's got protein in it, and that's sort of the main focus of this recipe. You know, chicken has a lot of protein in it. It's good for your skin, good for wound healing, good for your muscle strength. Obviously, that's what most people know it for. It's got a lot of functions in the body, and you know, chicken is obviously a great source of it. That's gonna be an animal source of protein. Obviously, chicken's an animal. And we also have Parmesan cheese in the batter, if you guys have noticed that. So it's not the highest in protein, but it's another like dairy source of protein. So it counts as an animal source, but for people who might be vegetarian, it could be another good source of protein in your diet. We also have the eggs. That's another good source. And all the flavor in it comes from, you know, the onion powder, the garlic powder, paprika, of course, salt and pepper. Everything needs that. Super delicious. Now we've got a few more chicken nuggets that are gonna go on the tray. And then once we have all of them on there, we're gonna have the oven turned up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then we're gonna put them in there for 15 minutes. The way you wanna check that they're done, you wanna grab a thermometer and stick it in the biggest chicken nugget, and then you're gonna check to see if it says 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If it doesn't say that, they're raw, and that's gonna make you sick. You don't wanna eat raw chicken. It's very, very bad for you. And also, you wanna check to make sure that the breadcrumbs are nice and crispy, you know, make sure they're a little like golden brown. It's gonna give it a good crunch, make it taste really good. You don't want like soggy, flimsy chicken nuggets. Bad news.
All right. Off to the oven it goes, over the parchment tray. Here we go.
All right, 15 minutes and 400 degrees Fahrenheit later, we've got all of our chicken nuggets out of the oven and ready. So now we're gonna plate it up, and on our plate, obviously we've got the ranch that we have. We've got those chicken nuggets. It's gonna be super delicious, super good. You know, when you're getting your protein in your diet, of course, there's a lot of different ways to get it. You know, we've got our chicken right here that's got the protein, that's our animal source. And then we've got our ranch that we made with yogurt. It's a little switch up from the usual, you know, instead of sour cream, we've got our Greek yogurt that's also got protein in it. So we hope you learned something new about protein and a good way to incorporate it into your diet and make it taste really good.